Hi Len, really good session yesterday. Hope you found it helpful. As we said with chipping and pitching, because there's a lot less speed and momentum with this shot, we need to just adjust our setup slightly just to make it a little bit easier now for our body to rotate. So you want to just bring that left foot back a little bit and just put a bit more weight favouring onto our left side. This will help us encourage it down the golf ball and get the correct contact that we're looking for. What you were doing in the past in terms of the swing though, if we look at your takeaway now as the club goes back, draw a line on your head, you'll see now as the club gets taken away, there's a distinct sort of sway and lateral movement off the golf ball. So when you get yourself in this position now, you've moved off the golf ball, your centre point now is actually behind the golf ball, and unless you move back to that left side, the club's going to bottom out a bit early. Compared to your much better movement here on the right, you can see now your head's staying a lot more stable. We just put that line down your head there. A lot more stable in the backswing. A lot less rotation off the golf ball, and you can see here now as you get to the top of your backswing, you actually now are over the golf ball in a position we call covering the golf ball, which will make it a lot easier now to return that club back to the golf ball. If we go back to the one on the left now, as you start coming down, the head's still staying behind the golf ball, and therefore the club, as we can see now, is bottoming out a good 3-4 inches behind the golf ball, resulting in probably a fat shot on the golf course, or if that tendency happens too often, you'll then just try and miss the ground and therefore will thin it. In comparison now to this one on the right, as you swing back down, you can see your head now much more over the golf ball. Lovely strike at impact, and we can rotate our body then through the target with a lot more ease because of that setup change that we made. So just make those subtler adjustments at setup, and just feel in the swing that when you're swinging the club back, staying a bit more over the ball, so it's a bit more of a steeper angle with your shoulders, more of a tilt, rather than that sort of sway and lateral movement over to your right side. So hope that helps. Any questions, obviously give me a shout, and I'll see you soon.